Lost in the shuffle, understanding a common English expression. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and unlock the secrets of its idioms and phrases. Today, we're exploring the meaning behind the phrase, lost in the shuffle. Whether you're an English language learner or just someone curious about idiomatic expressions, this video is for you. Let's get started and unravel the mystery of this intriguing expression together. The phrase, lost in the shuffle, refers to a situation where someone or something is overlooked, neglected, or forgotten amid chaos, confusion, or a multitude of other activities or things. Imagine shuffling a deck of cards. If one card falls out unnoticed, it's literally lost in the shuffle. This expression metaphorically applies to any scenario where important details or individuals go unnoticed because there's just too much going on. While the exact origin of lost in the shuffle isn't pinpointed, it's widely believed to have originated from card games in the 19th or early 20th century. During a card game, shuffling is essential to ensure the cards are mixed and the game is fair. However, in the process, things can get overlooked, just like in life's metaphorical shuffle. Over time, this phrase has been adopted into everyday language to describe situations beyond card games, embodying the feeling of being overlooked amidst the hustle and bustle. To better understand how to use lost in the shuffle, let's look at some examples. In the workplace, with so many big projects happening at once, it's easy for smaller, yet crucial tasks to get lost in the shuffle. In education, in large classrooms, students who need extra help can sometimes feel lost in the shuffle. Personal relationships. After their second child was born, their first child felt a bit lost in the shuffle, craving more attention. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various contexts, emphasizing the importance of paying attention to what might be overlooked. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, lost in the shuffle. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning, origins, and usage in everyday English. Remember, language is full of colorful expressions that make conversations and storytelling richer and more engaging. Don't let the opportunity to learn and use them get lost in the shuffle of your language learning journey. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!